The VR soundstage is the latest installation created by the Philharmonia Orchestra, and to put it simply, imagine walking into a circle of speakers, a group of people, 6 or more people, all put on a wireless VR headset, but instead of hearing the audio through headphones, you hear the audio through this large 18-speaker ambisonic sound system, so that when you watch a VR film, it really does sound as though the violins are there and the cellos are there, you can almost touch them, and it's a very different VR experience.
It was just wonderful, you just felt like you were part of the action.
Quite an experience, I think, to actually be in the centre of the orchestra rather than sitting on the outside and looking into it.
Not being a musician, I think what it did was it gave you that experience or that experiential feeling of what it would be like to be in an orchestra and to see how the various parts of it come together. And it's something I'll never get to experience because I'm not a musician. It was wonderful.
I think this is definitely something that would encourage a lot of people to pick up an instrument that they could actually play in an orchestra. If I were to describe the experience in 3 words, I'd probably say personal, loud, and exciting.